New York State Department of Health has started the process of repealing the COVID-19 vaccine requirement for all healthcare workers.
News 10 ABC's Tamara Starr has more on how officials are hoping the repeal will help hospitals facing a worker shortage.
With a healthcare staffing shortage across New York, Governor Kathy Hochul last month continued the declaration of a statewide disaster emergency. Some workers had left their jobs over the COVID vaccine requirement. Now some believe a repeal of the mandate will help with the staffing crisis. But Stephen Hanse from the New York State Health Facilities Association says it may not encourage everyone to return.
I'm aware of some individuals who pursued other careers or other avenues where they may not leave those new jobs.
When the COVID vaccines were mandated in 2021, health facilities around the capital region encouraged their staff to get vaccinated. Timothy Terbiak is an X-ray technologist for a private practice, and he remembers how the mandate affected staffing.
I do a little shuffling around of employees who wouldn't get the vaccine, we made things happen. We made things work.
Hanse says that even though a majority of nurses did take the vaccine, there were still those who chose not to.
There were a number of individuals who, for various reasons, religious and otherwise, declined to be vaccinated, and as a consequence, under the prior administration and under the rules.
In 2021, hospitals like Albany Medical Center were losing more nurses than they hired, and the State Department of Health announced earlier this year that by 2030, New York will have a shortage of 40,000 nurses. Government officials are hoping for the vaccine mandate repeal to ease the crisis. Hanse says the process will not be simple since the mandate will also have to be repealed at the federal level.
So until that process commences and is concluded, hospitals and nursing homes and certain assisted living providers in New York are still required to have the vaccine.
But Terbiak says that he believes the timing is right to start the process.
You think about when the vaccines first came out, and how, what the state we were in, the state of emergency we were in, how things have progressed since then, and how things have gotten better since then. So, it's only makes sense that the vaccine mandates kind of get lifted at this point.
The Department of Health says, effective immediately, they will stop citing providers who don't comply with the requirements. Reporting in Albany, Tamara Starr, News 10 ABC.